My name is Clarencia from 12 Science, and in this video I will explain about loci and construction. In GCSE Maths, there are 4 ruler and compass construction that we must know. The first one is locus of all points around a point or a line. And then the second one is perpendicular bisector. The third one, perpendicular line from a point. And the last one, bisecting an angle. A locus, or in the plural is loci, is a collection of points which share a property. E.g., the circumference of a circle is the locus of all points in 2D that are the same distance from a particular point. Example, draw the locus of all the points 1 cm from line AB. First, we set the pair of compasses to 1 cm and draw a half circle around point A. Next, keeping the pair of compasses the same size, repeat for point B. Finally, using a ruler, join up the two circles. All these steps are shown in the diagram in red. We can see that every point on the red line is exactly 1 cm away from the line AB. The second construction is the perpendicular bisector of a line. For example, bisect line AB shown below. To do this, you must do the following. First one is set your pair of compasses to a fixed length apart. Must be greater than half the line. And then put your pair of compasses on point A and draw an arc. With your pair of compasses at the same length, repeat the previous step for the other end of the line. Then, draw a line which passes through the two crossing points. And the red line is the perpendicular bisector. The third construction is a perpendicular line from a point. In the diagram, we have been given a line segment and a point. For example, construct a perpendicular line from point C to line AB. First, place your pair of compasses on the point C. The pair of compasses must be set greater than half the length of the line. And draw an arc of a circle that passes through the line twice. And then place your pair of compasses on the crossing point. The crossing point is the green cross. And draw a small arc on the opposite side of the line to where the point is. With your pair of compasses at the same length, repeat previous step for the other crossing point. Draw a line that passes through the original point and the point where the last two arcs cross. This line, or the red line, is the perpendicular line from a point. The fourth construction is an angle bisector. This allows us to split a given angle perfectly in half. Example, construct a line equidistant from line AB and BC. In the diagram, we have been given two lines, which is the black one, and an angle between them. To bisect it, we do the following. First, place your pair of compasses on the corner where the two lines meet, and draw an arc that passes through both lines. Place your pair of compasses on the two crossing points of the blue arc and draw a small arc, shown in blue. With your pair of compasses at the same length, repeat previous step from the other crossing point. Draw a line, which is the red line, passing through the corner where the lines meet and the point where the two blue arcs cross. This is the angle bisector.